Dear students, here you can find PUC first year blueprint of mathematics, right? The time for exam will be 3 hours 15 minutes, as you all know, and the maximum marks for maths paper is 100. Whereas for physics, chemistry and biology you have to score only 70, because you are having practical exam also. There you can score 30 marks, but maths is the only one subject where you are going to have 100 marks in the core subjects, right? Here in maths PUC first year you can find the number of chapters are 16, right? So in this 16 chapters you can see the total marks of each chapters easily, right? So by using this one you can easily think about which chapter you have to leave while studying and which chapter you have to focus, right? See, the first chapter is the sets. The total number of marks for sets is the 11 marks, and for the relation and function, the second chapter, you are having 13 marks. Similarly, trigonometry 25, principle of mathematical induction 5 marks, complex number and quadratic equation you are having 14 marks. So similarly, the total number of chapters you are having here and the marks for each chapter is listed here. And you can see the total marks you are getting in the question paper is 195 marks. See, in the question paper this year you are going to get maximum options, so you can score very well, right? So just to score out of what marks in mathematics, just focus on some areas. If you want, you can skip some chapters, and even though you can score 100 out of 100 marks. For this, just see this video. See here, the total marks you have to score is 100 only out of the 195, and the total number of questions you are going to get in the exam is 66, right? But you have to attempt only the restricted questions. I'll show here. This is the question paper pattern you are going to have. In part A you have, can you see, in part A you have 15 questions. Out of 15 questions only you have to attend 10 questions. Similarly, in part B, which is of 2 marks questions are 18, but you have to write only 10 questions. Easily you can skip 8 options from there, right? In 1 marks also this year you are going to get the options to skip. Earlier it was not there. In part C also you are having 18 questions, out of which you have to attend only 10 questions. In part D also you are having more half of the questions you can leave, right? 12 questions are there, only 6 questions you have to attend, which are of 5 marks. Same to same, in the part E you are having maximum of 3 questions, out of which only you have to attempt only 1 question. Can you see how much easily you can score 100 out of 100 in math subject, right? So if you want, you can note down the pattern of question paper what you are going to get, and you can prepare according to this one, right? So let me discuss which chapter if you leave it doesn't affect your answer sheet, right? See, if you want, you can skip the chapter such as this one, chapter number 4, principle of mathematical induction, where you are having only 1 question from the part D. You can skip this chapter while revision, yes. And with that you can skip even binomial theorem. If you want, you can skip binomial theorem also, as well as you can skip conic section. Students feel these chapters as little bit difficult, so you can easily skip these chapters while preparing for exam. A part of the chapters, if you want, if you wish, you can leave 2 more chapters also, but these chapters if you remove it doesn't affect your question paper, right? So you can score 100 out of 100. So I'll just say all the best to all of you, and just prepare well for your exams, revise good for your exams. All the best. Thank you very much.